Hello everyone, if you keep getting this secure boot error when you're trying to play Battlefield 6, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'll show you how easy it is to fix this annoying secure boot error and enable secure boot on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to search for SYS info, and here you can see I have secure boot enabled. You probably have it turned off, that's why you can't play Battlefield 6. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn on secure boot on your computer. So first of all, you're going to click on the start menu and then you're going to click onto power. You're going to hold left shift on your keyboard and then you're going to click on restart. So when you hold left shift on your keyboard, it will land you into a troubleshoot environment. You're going to click onto troubleshoot on here, and then you're going to click onto advanced options on here, and then you're going to go ahead and click onto UEFI firmware settings. You're going to click onto restart on here. You'll be into your computer BIOS, and then you're going to press right arrow to go into the boot menu here, and then you'll see the secure boot option on here. You're going to press enter on that, and once you press enter, you'll see this window. You're going to press enter on here again, and now when you turn on your computer, you can go ahead and open up the start menu again, and you're going to check sys info, and then you'll see that your secure boot will be saying on right here. Now you can go ahead and play your Battlefield 6 without any of that annoying secure boot errors on Battlefield 6. So there you have it, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.